Welcome to Has Academy channel. In today's Ask Purni series, we have an interesting question from Mr. Jagan, who had been our most following YouTube fan, and he has been watching every video of ours and commenting every possible videos that he has been seeing. Thank you, Jagan, for being this most amazing viewer for us. And today we are going to address his question on how to enhance listening skills in English. So whenever we know a language, what really happens is we will be able to completely listen to what the other person is talking and understand, and it is easier for us to listen and comprehend things. But when we are unaware of the language or unaware of the vocabulary or the terms that a person is using, the listening skills will actually drop in naturally. So how to enhance your listening skills? When I had to learn the British or the American slang of English, I totally did not understand even a single sentence of what the other person was talking, till the point that I started getting aware of the vocabulary, the slang, the pronunciation that these people use. So before you go into listening skills, start listening to the words, the pronunciation, all the syllables and the vocab, and start building on your vocabulary. So what really happens is that during the course of when you are working on this and starting to practice talking based on this, your listening skills will slowly start increasing. And later on, most importantly, you will start seeing a significant change in your listening skills. And the easiest way is to watch English movies with subtitles. So that will help you understand in getting clarity on what they are talking, and also making that clarity into your head of how they are pronouncing and getting all that syllables, slangs, everything very easily. You will be able to absorb them easily and start reciprocating in your speaking also. I hope this video helped you understand how to improve your listening skills. However, we are also having a course on communication skills to enhance your listening skills. So if you are interested, you can get in touch with us using the details below, and we will be happy to help you more on this. Wishing you happiness and success.